And again, now that we have candidates that have emerged in our various primaries, we want to remain in the ground running for campaign. We are going to campaign as if we have never campaigned in this state before, because of the way we are taking this election seriously. Because we want to affirm that we actually won the election, the last governorship election overwhelmingly. We want to prove to the whole world, to Edo State and to Nigerians, that we actually won those elections. So we are not going to leave any stone unturned in the campaign. And we are also sure that anybody who tries to stand on our way will smoke that person out. Well, since morning while the primaries were going on, there has been a lot of criticism all over the press about the statement that Governor made yesterday when he was receiving one of the remaining of PDP Edo Central, where he said that Peter Obi has to take permission before he lands. And I think the governor was right in saying that, because we are also saying that the governor can say that because of the kind of hatred that people have for Peter Obi in this state, including me. And when you have people, so many of us that have such hatred for people like that, especially when they came to Edo State and people died, it is proper for him to tell the governor before he will come, so that people like us will be sent on errand out of Edo before he can come and possibly go. I'm sure that's the reason why the governor made that statement. That's why I think the governor made that statement, and it's correct. And we support him in whatever he's saying. So whatever anybody is saying, they're just saying rubbish. And I also want to send a message to people who call themselves APC in this state, that they should be very careful, because we only have PDP remaining, not APC. So if you want to identify with APC, you have to leave and do for us. That is my message to all of them. And we want to appeal to Edo State people, and most especially where those elections are going to be held, that we will campaign and we all see the good work the governor is doing for the state. And to be able to tap into that, they have to also ensure that they vote so that we can have one way. While the federal legislators are working at federal to attract things to the state, the governor will also be working with that synergy. Their various constituencies will benefit more from government. So they should, we are going to campaign to them, to let them know that we are going to work for them, and we also appeal to them to vote for our candidate